Welcome to the DSR homepage. This is the first page you'll see when you sign up or open the platform. So before we create our first report, it's important that you understand how the interface works. So to start with, up here in the top left, we have our incomplete and our complete jobs tabs. The incomplete jobs tabs will list any jobs that are incomplete. Right now we have no jobs that have been created, and so the list is empty. But if you had multiple jobs here that were underway, they would be listed on this page. Next, we have our complete tab. So if I click on this, it will take you to the complete jobs page. So these are jobs that have been completed. They've been marked as finished. And as we have not created any jobs yet, the job list is empty, but we'll fix that soon. So next we have our interface tree. So this tree will list where you are in the platform. And if you want to go back to a previous page, you can click on the page here. So if we want to go back to the home page, we can click on this home icon here, and that will take us back to the incomplete jobs interface. And next up, we have the create a new job button. If you click on this button, then you will be prompted to enter a vehicle registration number or chassis number to begin your job. So if you click on the text here, it will turn into a text box, and you can type in whatever information is required. But we'll come back to this in a moment. The next important feature of the homepage interface is the Enable Reordering button. If you turn this switch on, then the interface will allow you to reorder your jobs, to click and drag the jobs and move them around. But we'll come back and show this feature later when we have the job list populated. So we'll turn that off for now. So next we have the Search Job text box. If you want to search through your completed jobs or incompleted jobs, you can type in information relevant to the job here, such as the job number or the registration number. When we have some jobs filled out, we can come back to this. Next up, we have the Help button. If you click on this button, then the manual for this platform will pop up. And we're working on instructional videos, such as what you're watching now, to fill this section out with in the future. So this will become more detailed. But for now, here is a list of instructions on how to use the platform if you need that information. But soon this will be changed into an interactive video section. And then finally, we have the Settings button. If you click on this, then you'll be taken to your account settings page. Here you can change your name, your business name, your phone number, or your email address. And here's the interface tree. If we click on Settings, that will take us back to the previous page where you could change your password. And then next we have our subscription details. This will tell you what subscription plan you're on, how long your discount coupon code lasts, and you can cancel your subscription here if you need to. Next up, we have the update credit card details. So if you want to change your payment options, you can do so here. Now, if I hit the home icon, we'll be taken back to the home page. And that is the basic interface of DSR and how to navigate the platform. Next up, let's show you how to create your first job. I'll see you there.